I, Erastus Edung Ethekon,
Riria kamite njeru ya ithurano na mihaka IEBC kuhua firingi na yanirira ithurano nini thiini wa icigo 22 iria citari na atongoria a guthurwo ngumuthurano hiu ya kiuteti gatagati ga thirikari na mung'ethaniro igakorwo yahurwo cabi na guthondeka muthingi wa uteti wa githurano kinene kia mwaka wa 2027.
If you are ready, we are ready.
Mwena wa mung'ethaniro wirumite kinia ati ithurano ici nicio cikahuthika gubundithia thirikari githomo gia kiuteti. Munini wa mutongoria wa kiama kia DCP Cleophas Malala akiuga ati ni manyoteire ithurano ici na riu makiuria kamite ya IEBC ihike mibango na yanirire riria cikahanika.
We want to urge the IEBC commissioners to hasten the process of ensuring that we have the respective pending by-elections in 2027. It is inevitable that he is the first president of Kenya to go one term.
Musikubali na viongozi wenye hawana mipango yoyote.
Gatagati gaiturwa 22 iria ciranyoterwo ni 15 cia MCS, kimwe gia seneta na iturwa 6 cia obunge iria ni hamwe na Banisa, Mavoko, Mbere North, Ugunja, Kasipul na Magarini. Na ici cia obunge nicio cigukorwo cikimurikwo na ndurumeni cia hakuhi mucinyagite kundu gutiganite kuria cia manene ciri na urumiriri munene. Mung'ethaniro ukionekana kurongoreria na Mbere North, Mavoko na Banisa, nayo thirikari igitanya ati ni kuyukia iturwa ciothe 6 ona thengia wa gukorwo etete ngumo ya kiuteti thiini wa imwe cia icigo cia obunge ta Mbere North.
Government cannot win anything. Even if we go to a contest of contesting for a girlfriend with the government, it cannot win against us. So we are very certain anything in Mount Kenya, government cannot win anything.
Agikorwo mwena wa mung'ethaniro ni ukugia na uhotani wa nginyagia gicunje kia 50 hari 100 ithurano-ini nini njuku kwaya gukorwo thirikari ni gukorwo yambitie gukinyukithio na njara uteti-ini, na hihi mung'ethaniro wetereire moimirira ma ithurano ici niguo kuhe kanya amwe ya atongoria athuri aria mari thirikari ni kugia na utheri wa kiuteti, nao aria mari mwena wa mung'ethaniro magie na hinya wa kuma ciama-ini iria maingirire nacio na maingire ciama-ini njeru ta kia DCP.
Because we are very confident that we are deep rooted in the ground, you will see members of the UDA party who are elected resigning and going back to the by-election.
Giki ni kigeri gigukorwo gigithima kana ngwataniro cia ciama mwena wa thirikari na mung'ethaniro ni matu amwe mwena uri na ciama ciri na urumiriri ngurani kundu gutiganite na kana ciama cia mwahumwe ni cigetikira gutiganira kuringana na hinya wacio wa urumiriri ni gabiro kararuthiririo.
We are in talks with our coalition partners and many factors will be considered. We look at the emerging dynamics.
Kusema tukae chini pamoja ni nzuri, but let the Kenyans first decide who the candidate is. So we are part of that coalition, but we as a party will also be selling our own, just like Kalonzo is selling his own.
Ithurano ici ni cigukorwo cigithima uhoti wa kamite njeru ya IEBC gutabania ithurano ciri na waragania na bururi umenye kana hihi kamite ya IEBC ni kwehokerwo mibango ya ithurano cia mwaka wa 2027 hatari na nganja.
Votes will be declared at the polling station. Kila mmoja wetu 45,000 stations will do the tallying. By 9 o'clock in the night tutakuwa na rais wetu.
Even if William Ruto decides to be the chairperson, as we are ready.
Hadu ine Hakameme TV retore ya kwa Nikimani Wagujiri.